If you want to unlink your Square account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure the disconnection is completed properly. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Visit the Square website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that is currently linked to your Facebook. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Linked Accounts or Connections. This is where you can manage any third-party integrations, including Facebook. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the Facebook account in the list of linked accounts. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect it. Click on this option and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Verify the disconnection. After unlinking, it is a good idea to verify that the accounts are no longer connected. You can do this by checking the linked accounts section again to ensure Facebook is no longer listed. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Square account from Facebook. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Square's customer support for further assistance.